Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can edit your post on Tumblr. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tumblr app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, find the post which you want to edit. After that, you can see the option of edit like icon or pencil like icon. Tap on it. Then edit your post. After that, you can see the option of save. Tap on it. Then refresh your profile. So this is how you can edit your post on Tumblr. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.